Hi everyone. So as I showed in my blog, I create these color charts of all the color pencils that I have to be able to compare them better to each other and also to keep a track of all the colors I have. Now, when I got the first Polychromos set that I have, I created this color chart, and then you can see all the greens here. But then as I continued to add more colors, the greens just got added haphazardly. So at some point I'll redo these color charts, but for right now, in this video I'll show you how I use these color charts and how I mix a couple of greens together, right shade that I need. So to give you an example, so this is a leaf that I picked up on my walk today morning. So it's a nice dark color, and on the other side you'll see it's a lighter sort of a greenish grayish color. So example, for this leaf I can see that the juniper green, the pine green would work well. Even the chromium oxide green might be good. Then the other options that I have is this Derwent Light Fast Spruce Green. There is a Luminance Dark Sap Green that I have that can also work. Yeah, so this is another green that I have. This is a green that I often use in my botanical drawings, but this won't be very helpful. This is quite yellowish. This is a warm green. We need a cooler green for this side of the leaf. So let me just take out these colors that I thought will work. One is this spruce green. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make some swatches of these pencils and see if I can mix and match more than one of these and get a color close to this. So now we can sort of put these aside. I'm just going to keep labeling them. This is PC278. This was Light Fast Spruce Green. So after trying here, I know that the juniper green is much lighter than I would like it to be. Than we need for this leaf. So I'm going to put this aside. This is clearly not going to work. Then we have this chromium oxide green, and even this is lighter, and this is like sort of a more yellowish tone than I need. We're going to cancel this. So this luminance, which color is this? Dark sap green. It has a brightness to it. I need a, well, yeah, this is not a matching color. This won't work. I feel like there's a lot of blue in this, so this will not work. And the last one that we'll try out here is this racing green. Sometimes I need to do a bigger swatch than just, like a couple of lines here. I need to do a bigger swatch to really be able to tell how well the color is matching. So yeah, I feel like even this won't work. I think the first two that we tried, the Light Fast, Derwent Light Fast Spruce Green, and the chromium oxide green, yes. So these two colors will work the best. So what you can do, so what I like to do next is to sort of so even in this leaf you can see that there are some darker areas where the shadows are falling in the lighter areas. So first I will try to see what kind of mix of these two I will need. So I'll create a bigger swatch with a bit of a gradient of the color to know where the highlights will go and sort of what how many layers of colors will I add for the darker shadow areas, and if I will need to have another color to add some more depth to the shadows. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to figure out what other color that I can add to deepen the shadows. Now, two colors that I frequently use for that is dark sepia and the dark indigo. So I'll sort of use this in this half and the dark sepia here. So after trying out a bunch of different colors, this is the final mix that I figured out, that for the base color, for the main color of the body, um, I'm going to be mixing this Polychromos chromium oxide green 278 with the Stefan Lightfast spruce green. And so you mix these colors by alternating layers till you get enough saturation. And then I've also added a light single layer of this dark indigo all over, not just in the shadows but the entire leaf, because the leaf has a really predominant bluish tone to it. So I've added this. Then I've used the sepia, dark sepia, for this darkest shadow area. So when you're drawing the leaf right next to the veins, the edges of the leaf, these are the darkest shadow areas. So the dark sepia is great for that. And in the end, I would glaze the leaf. Once I've finished with all the layers, I would glaze the leaf with this olive green yellowish, because even after using all these colors, I realized that it needed, especially after I've used the dark sepia and the indigo, I realized that it needed a little bit of a lighter green touch. So just by hidden trial, I figured out that this might work, and I feel like I've come very close to the color of the leaf. So I hope I've been able to give you a look into how the colors are mixed. There's a lot of muscle memory sort of involved. Over time, once you've been working for a decently long time with colored pencils, you will start to sort of intuitively pick colors that you think will go into the mix. So at the end of the day, it's a lot of practice. But I hope this video has been able to give you a look into how many colors are sometimes needed to get the right shade, and that there's a lot of layering and glazing that needs to happen if you want to come really close to the color of the subject that you are drawing. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it has been helpful. If you If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.